welcome to episode 172 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at how to enter a trending market. Trends are great. We always hear the saying, trend is your friend, but the important question is, how do you get into a trending move? Because once the price has moved already, now we don't know where the price is going to go. So in this episode, we will take a look at how to identify market trends and most importantly, how to enter into a trending move so we get better entries so that our profit margins are better. So let's go on to the charts and take a look at this particular move. Here we are looking at how to trade a trending market. This is $CAD 1 hour chart. In a trending market, we would normally come to the trade when the trend has already been established. In this case, we see that the price is trending to the downside. We have a nice move to the downside. And then in a trending market, normally either the price will pull back to a previous support and resistance level or price will consolidate sideways. In this case, we see that the price has dropped and now it's consolidating sideways. So what we can do is we can draw our support resistance lines here to show this consolidation area. So this marks our flag pattern. This is a pole and flag pattern where price drops, it consolidates sideways. And once we see this candle close below our consolidation area, this is a good indication that the price is likely to move lower now. So once we see this candle close, we enter the trade short. Our stop can go on the other side of the consolidation area just in case price decides to go back in and test the level once again. So we place our stop there and we stay in the trade till we see that the price starts to pull back. So in this case, it still looks like price wants to move lower. So you could just stay in the trade and continue on. However, if you wanted to exit the trade, it's the end of the day. We have a bullish candle close here and price has pulled back. So that could be a good place to exit the trade. Generally in this type of pattern, so we have a flag and pole pattern, the initial move will also be the same length as the secondary move, or I should say the secondary move will be approximately the same length as the initial move there. So that's one way to decide where to put your take profit target. But if you're just looking at the market and just want to exit, you can exit the trade once we get this bullish engulfing candle close. It's end of the day, it's a good time to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 66 pips in our trade. So just to recap, in a trending market, when we come to our charts, we normally have a move that would have happened already. In this case, we see that the price has dropped. And when we come to the market, generally, we would see this consolidation. So price drops, starts to consolidate sideways. So we can block our consolidation area off. And once we see that the price breaks below this consolidation area, we can enter trade short after this candle closes below the consolidation area and we stay with the trade. Either we're looking for the same length as this initial move, or once we see that the price starts to pull back, we can exit the trade manually. So we get 66 pips in the trade from entry to exit here. Our profit is 66 pips or $660 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.